O, hinarap ng mga huling grupo ng housemates ang kanilang weekly task. Ang mga natitirang grupo sa loob ng bahay, hinarap din ang Leg Task Challenge na may malaking epekto sa nominasyon.
Ang mga nominado ngayong linggo ay kayo, Heath, Clifford, Miguel, Crystal, Ashley at Fred.
At nakilala na rin ang 2 kapuso at 2 kapamilya wildcards.
Marco! Anton! Ray! Eliza!
Ngayong gabi, isang panibagong issue naman ang mabubuksan sa pagitan ng mga housemates. Pakatutukan yan dito lang sa Pinoy. Pagkatapos ng mga anunsyo hinggil sa nominasyon, si Sofia nilapitan ang pinili nilang iligtas na si Len.
Thank you. Thank you, Kaka.
Meron po talaga akong goal dito sa loob ng bahay ko, Kuya. At etong goal ko po na to is mag-stay po talaga dito, Kuya, hanggang dulo. At dahil po dun sa desisyon nila, Kuya, unti-unti po natutupad ito.
May revenge arc ka pa. Revenge. Big four. Hanggang dulo na to. Sabi ko may revenge arc ka pa. May revenge arc ka pa.
Ang girls tinuloy ang usapan sa bedroom.
Meron akong tagi-isang egg paglabas Sige.
Isang tray?
Yun. Oo.
1 tray.
10 trays.
Pag di ka lumabas sa akin, itlog mo. Dibs na.
Sige. Pero pag ako nag-G-bounce, lilibre mo ako. G. Paglabas.
Sige.
Ako din, sali ako sa bet, nagbebet siya eh.
Pero, pag nag-stay ka, sa akin itlog mo. For 2 days stay.
G. Confident ako dyan.
Game,
2, 3.
Pinamunahan na niya, sinulat na niya.
Ay, excited lang po ako ngayon sa mga paparating pa po na araw at mga paparating pa po na ganap, Kuya.
Mali lang siya last
Hindi
time.
naman sa mina-manifest.
Ba't yun lang kasi yung nafe-feel
Yun lang talaga yung nafe-feel ko. I'm not trying to manifest or anything. It's just how I really feel. Not super thinking about, baka dahil dito, dahil dyan. Gut feeling lang talaga.
Ang first-time nominee na si Miguel, kay Carmel naman piniling makipag-bonding.
First time ko. Wala pala, ganito pala feeling, no?
Na ano?
Ha?
Na ano?
Wala lang. Parang wala lang. Naman nominate.
Yun na ba
Parang
nafe-feel?
gusto kong innocent si Carmel.
Ewan ko sa'yo, Miguel.
Bakit?
Kakainis.
Maya-maya, niyaya pa ni Carmel ang iba na sumama sa kanila ni Miguel.
Caprice, mag-walking tayo. Lika dito.
Sa Saudi may salamin.
Dito.
Does it feel
Moy, sunod ka sa amin. Dito.
like anything?
Hanggang sa humaba na ang kanilang train.
Yo, guys! Passengers, we're leaving in 10 seconds.
Mas gumaganda ang samahan at pagkakaibigan ng mga housemates na lalong pinagtitibay ng mga pagsubok gaya na lang ng nominasyon. Pero paano naman kaya nila haharapin ang panibagong issue tungkol sa isa nilang kasama? Hello Philippines and hello world! Isang obserbasyon nga ang pinagmulan ng issue na nagdulot ng panibagong hindi pagkakaunawaan sa loob ng bahay. Sino nga ba ang sangkot dito at ano ang kwento sa likod nito? Pilipinas at Team Online, narito ang kwento. Matapos ang katuwaan, ang girls na pag-usapan naman sa bedroom ang pagluluto.
Nagkatotoo nga, Saturday na ako makakaluto. Ano lulutuin mo, Sofia? Baka chicken steak. Ooh, sarap niyo. Chicken steak. Naalala ko yung niluluto ni Anton yung curry. Pinapakalma ko pa siya, sabi ko. Eh, kasi like, di ba when you cook, like, lalo si Anton nagluluto talaga. Eh, may nag-nudge talaga na, bro, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. So, syempre siya, inaano naman yan, hindi, ganito kasi, optional. Then, ayaw tigilan na, hindi, nakalagay kasi dito. Sino yung sabi? Si leader. Si leader natin. Si leader natin.
Grupo niyo.
So parang si Anton, hindi nakapagtimpe. Sabi niya, optional pare.
Alam niyo,
Sabi ko,
alam niyo, kaya natatakot ni kaya magluto lahat. Kasi nga, sabi namin, magluto na ba tayo? Tapos sabi namin, oo, sige, luto na tayo. Tapos sabi nila, kaso magluto ata si Joaquin. Tapos sabi nila, okay, sama-sama tayo, everybody. Pag magalit si Joaquin, lahat tayo magkasabi na tayo lahat nagluto, ah.
bakit ba kayo natatakot sa kanya? Anong meron? Hindi. Sobrang fear niya kasi siya magluluto.
Kaya kami,
So, syempre, like kami, gusto niya.
kaya kami lahat kaya parang, oh, we're cooked, y'all. We're cooked, y'all.
Actually, nung nakita ko nagluto, kinabahan. Sabi ko, parang sino talaga?
Ano, sabi pa ni Fred, nagluluto na. Sabi ni Fred, uy, sure ba kayo? Baka magalit si Bossing, ah. Sabi ni Fred.
Parang sino nagluto?
Kami lahat talaga. Funny naman. Nag-chop, si Miguel nag-chop, si Ashley nag-chop, si Princess Ashley nagaganon.
Maya-maya, sumali na si Ashley sa usapan.
Podcast.
Yung nagkwento ni Tala, yung lahat tayo magluluto.
Ganina na tayo. Talaga? Sabi ko nga parang ang saya kunyari starting from now. Pag may magluluto, open siya. Like open kung sino may gusto nila.
Kaya pala nagtanong, oh, sino nagluto?
Lahat kami.
Yung itsura niyo. Ako ganun kayo. Kami lahat.
Kami!
Oo nga, ganun.
Sabi niya,
Ayos kumain siya.
sabi ni Fred, uy, baka magalit si Bossing.
Bakit naman?
Ganun siya, I think. Ganun siya.
Kinabukasan, nagtanong si Joaquin sa mga kasama.
Yo, hindi ako nagluto kahapon. Can I cook later? Yes, sir.
Nagluto daw si ano,
Ano?
magtinola daw.
Today?
Yeah, daw.
But I didn't do curry yesterday. Okay, no problem.
Maya-maya pa, si Joaquin nagkwento kay Clifford tungkol sa nangyari.
You know what? No. I applied what you taught me today. For more than a week, I wanted to cook curry. And then today, finally, I can cook curry. And one person requests something else. Yeah, now I can. But you know what? I think it's better if I give way. Instead of like sticking to my old habits and fighting for what I wanted to do. I think it would lead to a better outcome if I listen to you.
Maya-maya pa, si Lela seryosong kinompronta si Joaquin tungkol sa isang nangyaring insidente.
Well, doing like this is, I don't think that's proper way to tell someone to quiet when you're talking.
Ang tinutukoy ni Lela ay isang insidente sa pagitan ni Joaquin at Ashley.
Noong time po kasi na yun, kuya, nag-uusap-usap po kami about sa parang bet. Sabi po ni Lala na parang ayaw niya daw po i-bet yung egg niya. Tapos sabi naman ni Joaquin, na-explain pa rin po niya kay Lala kung ano po yung magiging bet nga po na mangyari po sa kanila. Tapos si Lala po parang umaayaw na po siya. So sinabi ko po na she doesn't want to bet her eggs. Tapos po, pinatahimik niya po ako, kuya. Using his hand po sa face ko po, kuya. Siyempre po, nagulat po kami na ganun po yung naging way po ni Joaquin.
I'm sorry that I got annoyed when I got interrupted. That's very unfair to do. So I hope you understand that I got annoyed. I'll apologize to her.
That's valid. Like,
That's
mainis ka
valid.
kasi someone's talking while you're talking.
Yes.
That's okay. But, it's a nicer way naman. With respect also. If you don't want to be disrespected, then you tell the person respect also.
Hyper lang po kuya talaga si Joaquin at mas nangingibabaw po yung excitement niya every time. Pero minsan nga po, nawawala po talaga kuya sa lugar.
Si Joaquin agad namang nilapitan si Ashley.
Yo,
I'm sorry for stopping you in a rude way.
it's okay.
I'm remorseful for my actions.
It's okay.
You good?
Sorry for interrupting.
It's okay, I forgive you.
I forgive you too.
Maya-maya pa sa di kalayuan, si Joaquin binahagi kay Heath ang nangyari.
I know that I could have told her to stop talking in a better way, in a more polite way.
At least it's okay na. Respect.
Si Ashley nagbigay ng saloobin sa kaibigang si Princess.
Biglang narinig ko, kinukwento niya kay Clifford, kinukwento niya kay Heath yung nangyari. So, if you're really sorry for what happened and you're still asking for validation, are you really sorry?
I told them though. Sabi ko sa kanya na Why? Is it not disrespectful daw to interview?
Well, is it not disrespectful if you put your hands in front of somebody's
Exactly.
face?
That's what
And then tell them to not interrupt. You don't do this to someone.
Someone for them to...
And like, I'm also just...
Tapos,
Tsaka the fact that, yeah, the fact that he's forcing you to answer the question or to
I
make
keep
a bet.
telling him na nandun.
Why does he have to tell that to
Under
to
people.
Clifford?
To hit them.
sinabi na kay Clifford.
Ayoko na. Bro, it's about respect. And respect goes both ways, not one way.
Kaya po ako galit na galit. Lalo nang nalaman kong ganito, ayoko nang ginaganon, kuya. Pwede niyo naman kong sabihin ng maayos. Ayoko po talaga na may nangyayaring ganun, lalo na sa mga kaibigan ko, lalo na kay Ashley and Lela, kuya. Open po ako na pag-usapan siya or mag-usap kami, kuya. Kaibigan ko din bukas talaga si Joaquin. Ayun nga lang, may yung approach nga lang din niya. Nakaka-intimidate din siya kung hindi mo talaga kilalang.
Narito na ang update. Maya-maya pa, si Sofia nilapitan si Joaquin.
To you guys apologize kasi to each other. Siyempre, na-overhear namin you were like telling me this what happened. Siyempre, I get na she feels like it was insincere. Because if you really feel sorry, parang you wouldn't have to ask parang for validation from others.
I'm not asking for...
Well, syempre like,
He
hindi na,
asked me for what
yun
happened.
na, but syempre hindi natin control if ganun yung na-feel niya.
She took the situation the wrong way. She had the wrong assumption.
Yeah.
Pagkakakilala ko po kay Joaquin, kuya, sobrang marespeto po siya na tao, kuya. And naalala ko po nung nagkaroon po kami ng segment with Ate Shuvi, kuya. Bakit ba? Lahat po kami, kuya, pumapalakpak every time po sasagot siya, kuya. Kasi iba po talaga yung respect niya, kuya. Lalo na po sa girls, kuya.
I think it will help kung
Kasi at that time,
later on, kapag mas kalmado na kayo, mapag-usapan niyo.
Matapos makausap si Sofia, si Joaquin minabuting kausapin si Ashley.
About?
Oh, yung Sofia told me you're telling people that
I'm not telling people, like...
It was just me and Tala.
Yeah. Because I thought when you apologize, you talk to other people about what happened. So I was like, what?
Yeah, because he asked about what happened.
Yeah.
And
And now I get
that's
it now. Yeah.
So do you think I'm insincere because of that?
No, not anymore because I knew na hindi naman pala ganun yung nangyari.
So you don't think I'm insincere?
Yeah.
Thank you. Just wanted to make things clear. You good?
Yeah, bro.
You good?
Yeah, man.
We're good. We're good.
We're good.
Ilang sandali pa, ang girls pinag-usapan ng paglapit ni Joaquin kay Ashley.
The way he approaches. Yeah. Could have had a better approach.
Ito, he can correct you every day. Pero, depende lang kasi talaga yun sa approach. If maayos na yung
Approach, yeah. Parang hanggat hindi niya maririnig yung gusto niyang sagot. Hindi ka niya titigiran.
If the air doesn't improve, I'm seriously gonna go. Hindi ako pwede sa ganitong lugar kasi like, na ano.
Legit ba? It's okay, soft. So like,
Maybe I should talk to him. Eh, wala. I mean, wala eh.
why does she need to talk?
Kasi ako yung closest sa kanya at ibang, like, pwedeng ko mas maintindihan niya yun if galing
But
sa...
that didn't work. You talked to him. You told him.
Yeah, but
you
only
were...
about what happened tonight.
What makes you think that if you talk to him, he'd learn his lesson? You already told him everything that happened, but still he kept on pushing that it was my fault, diba? What do you think will happen to Ashley? Do you think that he...
Feeling ko mas lalo niya.
Mas lalo niya ididiin na parang...
If I didn't do that, there would be a...
Diba?
Honestly po, ang laki pong epekto nito sa akin. Kasi sobrang close ko po, kuya, kay Joaquin. So, yung mga housemates sa akin po, kuya, nagkukwento. Sa posisyon ko po, kuya, medyo mahirap po talaga. Hindi ko din po alam, kuya, kung honestly kung saan po lulog.
Kinaumagahan habang kumukuha ng supplies, si Joaquin kinumusta si Ashley kay Sofia.
Kumusta si Ashley? Okay naman.
Okay naman.
Sure ka?
Yeah, she's better. She's just like, at the moment, parang, syempre at the moment, hindi pa naman like 100%, pero better.
Maya-maya pa habang kumakain, si Lela nakahanap ng tiyempo para kausapin ng masinsinan ang malapit na kaibigan na si Joaquin.
Dude. I'm telling you this because as your friend,
Yeah.
ang dami ko nang naririnig.
Na.
Yung mga concerns nila about you. Na like, syempre, yung pag ganun, the way you talk, at minsan yung approach mo hindi maganda. So like yung ibang housemates nila, nagugustuhan yun, yung ganun. I really wanted, gusto na sana kita kausapin matagal na. Pero di ko lang, naghanap kasi ako ng perfect timing. And like, ayaw din nila kasi nga daw baka lumaki pa. Or baka nga daw di mo maintindihan. But like, I'm sure na maintindihan mo yan.
I understand.
Yeah.
Ako po kasi kuya, sanay na po ako kay Joaquin eh. Kilala ko na po kuya si Joaquin. So, pag meron po siya mga ganong moments, nasasabihan ko po siya agad.
Yung sa kitchen, when someone wants to cook, let them cook.
Let them cook. Yeah.
But like sometimes napapansin nila na naiya sila sa'yo kasi minsan, like, hindi pala minsan, most of the time, ikaw yung laging nagluluto.
Yeah.
Ganun. Or kaya meron ka ng reserve,
Yeah.
3 days in a row. Mga ganun. And some of them, hindi pa sila nakakapagluto dyan sa kitchen. And your approach naman siguro, yun talaga, dun talaga sila na sa approach mo sometimes. Na na-intimidate sila or sometimes mali yung pag-approach mo. Especially yung ganun, like, for me, I was there, I saw it.
Yeah.
Medyo disrespectful talaga yun. Kasi,
At inamin ko naman na
yeah.
nagkamali ako dun.
Based po dun sa pinaghahawakan ko po ngayon 2026 is yung paggalang kuya, respect. Yun din po kuya ang isa sa mga gusto ko rin po iparating kay Joaquin. Respect in all aspects po.
At nag-apologize ako kay Ashley.
Yeah. And meron talagang mas okay no way to say that. Respect pa rin. On
Yeah.
top.
Even if she did a disrespectful gesture to me also, I should have
Yes.
sent a respectful gesture back. Imbis na
Exactly.
inaamin ko naman na nagkamali ako dun. And I pondered about it din. At medyo nag-guilty din ako dun.
Yeah.
Yun naman din po yung usapan namin kuya na if meron po akong maling ginagawa, i-call out niya. At if meron po siyang maling ginagawa, i-call out ko po. As friends, yun po yung naging usapan naming dalawa.
I'm not talking to you because of what happened with Ashley and everything. I'm talking to you kasi ang dami ko nang narinig. Siyempre ako, as your friend, ayokong nakakarinig ng ganun. I mean, yes, I know you, pero after hearing those, ako yung pinaka-close mo dun.
Yeah.
So, ako din, parang napapa-what?
I really respect you for confronting me about it. As much as possible, I'm trying to be self-aware talaga. At sasabihin ko talaga na nagpapakatotoo talaga ako. And as much as possible, lahat ng mga pagkakamali ko, inaayos ko.
Yeah.
But I can only look at myself so much. I can look in perspective so much to the point that, you know, I see things, pero wala talaga, hindi ko talaga makita lahat. So kailangan ko talaga ng outside perspective or outside opinion talaga.
It's hard to come across criticism in a public place like this, kuya. Baka they might think na if they give criticism or if they say things like that, people might take it the wrong way. I'm not that kind of person, kuya. I really take criticism in a positive way, kuya.
That's what you need to work on pa.
Approach.
Better approach.
Okay.
Huwag mo pangunahan ng inis, ng temper mo. Huwag mo pangunahan. Think first bago ka magsalita. Alam mo naman yan eh. I know you know those. Alam mo yan.
I get what you mean.
I'm a bad friend if I don't speak up, kuya. If manahimik lang po ako, kuya, and if wala po akong gagawin about it, parang ang sama ko naman pong kaibigan, kuya.
Dapat mangibabaw yung respeto. All the
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Kasi
No, thank you. Kasi akala ko talaga matakot ka. Kasi it took time before ko sabihin sa'yo.
I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful.
Matapos makausap si Lela, si Joaquin nagbahagi ng saloobin sa kaibigang si Sofia.
I'm not gonna lie. I was heated talaga. Because, bro, do you wanna be called insincere? And don't get intimidated by me. Like, if you feel like being like blunt with me, I don't mind. Ang dami akong kaibigan na blunt sa akin. And they're willing to tell me talaga. Like, straight to my face.
It's not your fault na na-intimidate ako.
It's also my fault, in a way, for doing the thing.
No, syempre for me, no. Because we're close eh. I mean, like, syempre sila, they're not as close as we are. So, syempre, I feel like my fault din ako na na-intimidate ako. And I didn't have the courage to talk to you about it.
I understand. I really do. But on top of everything, dude, I'm really happy. Parang weird siya pakinggan na ako mapagsabihan, hindi Lela, at you're telling me off. Gusto ko talaga mag-improve bilang tao. I really wanna improve. Like, that's one of my goals here.
Sa labas po ng bahay, may nagko-comment na strong yung personality ko. Pero I guess they haven't spent this much time with me. You know, because I'm with these housemates every day. Nakikita po nila every single second of me. And nararanasan po nila yung pagka-strong personality ko po. I oddly feel happy, kuya, na they're opening up and they're giving me these kinds of criticism. Feeling ko po valid po talaga yung mga sinasabi nila since it's coming from different people. It's coming from people that I'm sharing circumstances with. So I'm really grateful and I really want to take them to heart and improve as a person.
Ilang sandali pa si Ashley naman ang nilapitan ni Joaquin.
Gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm really sorry.
Yeah, let's go.
Na minsan medyo ganun ako. Hindi ako nagbibigay ng palusot, pero ganun ako pinalaki. At willing naman ako mag-improve, ibago yung approach ko. I'm just really sorry. Because last night, yes, I said sorry to you. I really felt guilty talaga when I did that. I shouldn't have done that. I should have told you in a softer way. And hindi ko siya uulitin. I'm really sorry. That's it. That's it.
I forgive you, Max.
Thank you.
But yeah, siguro din pag times na ganyan, I also don't know if I should be the one to tell you when you're like heated up. Because feeling namin si Lals lang yung makakausap sa'yo in a way na parang you would be really open. And
Anyone can talk.
I got your permission.
Yeah.
And I'll look out for you, bro. Like starting from now, I'll actually try to tell you.
Thank you so much.
Amen, man.
Thank you so much.
Good night, Wax.
Good night, Wax.
Sleep well, bro. You
too.
should sleep well, man.
Kinabukasan, si Princess nagkaroon ng pagkakataon para kausapin si Joaquin.
Can I talk?
Sure. I'll say it.
Well, yeah, sorry first. Because at that time, when I found out about what happened to Ash,
Yeah.
I was really mad at him. It was only based on what happened. And then so, that time I said some things. I just wished you could have said it nicely.
Yeah.
Or call you. But I don't know. I'm not good
That's good.
Thank you so much for being understanding.
Yeah. I understand. And I accept your apology.
Okay na ulit kami, kuya. Kasi kuya, mabait naman din talaga siya, kuya. Tsaka siya nga palagi nag-aasikaso ng pagkain namin.
And on my part naman, stayed up for a bit, like just thinking about it talaga. Like, open forum tayo mamaya. I'm sure.
When Lela told me about the things that the other housemates wanted to tell me, kuya, inisip ko po na mag-host ng open forum, kuya, tungkol sa akin.
Si Joaquin tinipon na ang mga kasama para sama-samang makausap ang mga ito.
Hi guys. I'm really grateful that you guys came here for this open forum and that you guys are open to giving criticism. So it really helps for me to have an outside perspective to help me be more aware of myself. Oh, also I wanted to say na if the reason is like for you not telling me criticism here is that medyo intimidating ako. I'm really sorry, but ganun talaga ako. Like, so minsan nakasimangot ako ganun. Like, I'm just locked in. I'm not mad or anything. I'm just really focused. When I'm focused, I look mad. For those who know me, like Lela, if you know me outside, I'm really approachable talaga. Na okay, I'm strong, and medyo intimidating din. Pero, bro, I really won't get mad at you if you have something to say to me. Madami ng bagay na sinabi sa akin ni Lela. And one of those is medyo strong yung approach ko minsan. Hindi ako nagbibigay ng palusot, pero ito yung dahilan. Kasi pinalaki ako ng ganun, ng strong. I was raised by a strong woman. I was raised by my mom. And medyo strong personality din siya. And that's what I got. But again, hindi yun palusot. I'm just saying that that's why I'm like this. And medyo rough yung approach ko minsan. And I apologize for that. And I'm willing to improve naman. And regards to cooking, guys, I just cook because I like cooking. So if you guys want to cook, you can tell me. You know, I'm not really like hogging it. Like, if you want to cook, like cook. You can tell me. You don't have to be scared to approach me.
Matapos magsalita ni Joaquin, unang nagbigay ng kanyang saloobin si Miguel.
For me, your strong personality is okay. Kasi my friends all have strong personalities.
Yes.
But I said, the other people might not be the same as me. But sa ibang tao, it might come off as different. Ako, for me, you don't have to change it. But nasa sa'yo na yun, if yung approach mo sa ibang tao, yung gusto mong maging parang tingin sa'yo na ibang tao is like that, di ba? Pero kasi, I know you're not like that.
Yeah.
Kasi kilala naman kita eh.
I think the first step I should take to actually making it a habit to, calm things down, I think the first step I should take is to make it conscious first. Consciously soften my approach. Consciously. Like, think about it talaga.
Para sa akin, hindi naman masama yung strong personality mo kasi yung parents ko ganun din. Pero they didn't get it. So, I understand you. Pero, you have to really read the room.
Read the room.
Always. Kasi, you never know it's the perfect time to do that, or say that, or ask that. And maybe try to be more understanding towards others.
Yeah.
And like, when you're talking to people, don't just like, shut them out.
Yeah.
Like, just say politely, like, wait, please, I'm talking to someone. You don't have to like, don't raise your hand at their face.
Yeah.
Because that's disrespectful.
Yeah. So, okay, I'll address that first, this one. Nag-usap na kami ni Ashley kagabi. Yes, nag-apologize ako sa kanya. And yes, nag-apologize siya sa akin for interrupting me nung isang araw. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin na talagang nag-guilty ako dun. And I really admit na I should not have done that. Na I regret doing that talaga. I was really remorseful of that. And I promise I won't do it again. And I'm sure sa lahat ng pagkakamali ko dito sa bahay, I'm sure nakita niyo na inayos ko. I hope you guys can understand na lumaki ako sa household na I'm strong with, my mom, who is a female. So that's why yung approach ko sa mga ibang females is ganun din. But again, thank you for telling me this. I'll be more aware of myself next time.
Siguro po yung pinaka-in-expect ko na lang po is mas maging okay and wala na po talaga na parang merong bad blood or dala-dala pa rin kuya na sama ng loob or something na hindi pagkakaintindihan. Kasi po, para sa akin po kuya, ayun nga po, clear naman na po siya.
I'll show more respect. I'll tone myself down talaga. Thank you so much.
Joaquin, humahanga ako sa tapang mo na humarap sa mga kritisismo at pagpuna. Batid kong ipinaalam ito sa iyo ng iyong mga kasama. Hindi para mapahiya ka o layuan ka nila. I believe that as your true friends, they are coming from a place of love and concern. Hangad lang nila na mapagyabong mo sa iyong sarili ang respeto at mabuting pakikitungo. Hindi lang para sa mga kababaihan, kundi para sa lahat ng iyong makakarap. Joaquin, gusto kong malaman mo na ang pagkakamali ay hindi katapusan, kundi ito ay simula lamang ng iyong pagbangon at pagunlad.
Natuto po talaga ako. I would go in the right direction no matter where I go. But I can assure you na I'm reflecting on myself. Today is the start of a long reflection for me, kuya.
Abangan bukas!
Maligayang pagbabalik sa bahay ko.
Yes, Kuya! We back!
Bibigyan ko kayo ng isang secret task. Mula sa sandaling gumising kayo, meron lamang kayong 1 oras para maligo sa loob ng aking bahay at ipaghanda ang housemates ng kanilang aga.